Hello everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, we are going to solve exercise 9.2 first main second question. In the first main second question, we have a quadratic polynomial 4 square minus 4s plus 1 equals to 0, and we need to find out the zeros of this given quadratic polynomial, and also we have to verify it. Let's say try to find out the zeros of this given quadratic polynomial using factorization by splitting the middle term method. For that, let's multiply this 4a square with this 1. Then we have 4s square into 1. We're gonna get that 4a square. Now we have to find out two terms such a way that product of those two terms must be 4s square. Addition or subtraction of those two terms must be this negative 4s. So the two terms are minus 2s and minus 2s. Minus 2s into minus 2s gives us this plus 4s square, and minus 2s gives us minus 4s. So let's write that 4s square minus 2s plus 1 equals to 0. Let's factor out 2s in the first two terms. If we factor out 2s, then the first term we have that 2s, and in the second term we have that minus 1. And in these two we don't have anything common, so let's factor out minus 1. Then we have 2s at here and minus 1 at last equals to 0. Then we have 2s minus 1 equals 0, 2s minus 1 equals to 0, then 2s equals 1, or 2s equals we have 1. Then we can write s equals 1 by 2 or s equals 1 by 2. So here we have two zeros which are half and half. Now let's find out the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So let's first find out the sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is equals 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which gives us 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2, which gives us 1. So sum of the zeros is equals to 1. We also know that sum of the zeros is always equals to negative of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x squared, that is minus b by a. So let's substitute the values of minus b and a. Here the value of b is minus 4 and the value of a is 4. Let's substitute that and verify whether the sum of zeros is correct or not. So here we can write minus of the value of b is there, minus 4 divided by the value of a is 4. So minus of minus 4, which gives us 4 divided by 4. By cancelling out, we can get the value as 1. So our sum of the zeros is correct. Now let's try to find out the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. Product of the zeros 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which gives us 1 by 4. Let's verify it. We know that product of zeros is always equals to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So constant term is the 1, that is c by a. Constant term c is 1 there, divided by the value of a is 4. So we can say that this one is also the correct answer. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.